This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Beautifully updated and cared for home on a 0.54-acre lot with rolling lawns and room for lots of parking. Spacious living room flows into a nice dining room. Great kitchen with granite tile counters and a second eating area with a slider out to a covered patio. Nice family room with a gas fireplace. Upstairs is a huge master suite overlooking the private yard. Master bath has a walk-in shower and double sinks. Walk-in closet too. New roof this year, new carpeting, siding and paint too. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.